My name is Dennis, parang na pastor. Dennis Lorismo. Um, Kanino? Anyway, I'm a buddy ni Kaloy ever since, well, he started 1970s. So we met 1979 or 80s. It was skating. And the first time we met is sa Vermont Green Hills. That's where all the skating started. Kasi my mom has a store sa Vermont that time. That's the reason why some of my siya, ang tawag niya sa akin, excuse. Kasi yung name ng store. But every time they play skateboard, kasi may ramp doon eh. He's a member of Pepsi. Sponsored by Pepsi and Toby's. Yung mga matatanda. Anyway, so every time they play, I see them and I'm so embarrassed to join them kasi mga professional yan. But, so after they play, in the morning, paggabi na, doon ako lumalabas. And I bring my small skateboard. Hindi pa siya professional skateboard. And I would use the ramp. And I didn't know he was there. So he came to me and said, "Why late? Bakit? Sa gabi ka nag-skate?" Sabi ko, "Niya." Sabi ko, "Come with us in the morning." Sabi ko, "No, you guys are good." "No, come, I'll teach you." Sabi ko, itong mukhang tanda na yan. He was still, he looks young kasi siya medyo pa yan, pero long hair. So I said, yeah. And then it's started all there. I go up in the morning, I would just sit, and he would say, come on, play. So, no. Because he would teach me the basic ramp until, well, I don't know if you saw the picture. Medyo patambling-tambling na ako sa ere and everything. Puro gas-gas, puro bukol. And he's really, he's really, and then we had a good friendship. I've been attending yung mga exhibition. I was not a member of the Pepsi, pero he considered me as one of the Pepsi member or team. Kaso nga wala akong t-shirt, sila meron. Pero I get to eat and kasi we were sponsored by Pepsi, Shakey's Pizza, and Toby's. So they gave us Pepsi, 1 barrel, ganun, puno-puno. Tapos Shakey's for pizza. Ang Toby's naman will be sponsored, giving us yung mga shorts na may padded. So, parati niya ako sinasama. Magallanes, Makati, all around here. So, hindi lang sa outside. So he was always there. At that time, I thought na he was just really, alam ko nga, matanda talaga kasi he's so nice. Yeah, ganun naman yun. Pero he's so, every time he skates, may kita mo na, he would come back to me, ikaw naman. Sabi ko, I can't do that. You can. Okay, I fall down, like God is teaching us, no? God teaches us to go ahead. And then you get hurt. And then you stand up. And then you get hurt. And then by the time you know it, I'm a professional skateboarder now. I've been doing a lot of skating all around and on. I mean, I got some of my buddies right here and they know. Anyway, so that's one of them. And then when we got close, I was really surprised. Medyo matanda na kami. When I got married, nag-appear siya doon sa... So I had a picture, and he was there at my wedding. Well, ako pa lang yata may asawa ng dami. Kasi I married early. Kumbaga tawag sana yung magal lumandi. So he was there, and I was really so appreciative and proud na sabi ko, nanonood dito. Sabi ko, kasama. Siya lang. Walang iba. I don't know. O baka gusto niya lang kumain. I don't know. Gusto niya But he was there. So, I had his picture. And he was I used to go to their place. And nakita kami ni ate niya, Vicky, doon sa may, what do you call this? San Juan, Pinaglabanan. Yung house nila is very tricky because pababa yung gano'n, tapos nandun sila sa side. So, kaya pag may kotse kayo will park, going that way. Di ba? That's So, he's been there for a long time. Then, also, I did some, gumawa ako ng movie way back, 1984, with Ronnie Enriquez and Ramon Zamora, Dencho Padilla. And I was asking him, tingnan niyo to kung iba pang niyaya ko, sigurado sumama na. Pero I was telling him, hey, come with me. You don't skate more than I do. Kasi I was, ang ano ko doon was a skateboarder na naka-witness ng murder, tapos hinabol ako ng mga policemen. Sabi, come with me. Sabi, masyado siyang mahiyain ko noon. Para makapalimutan. He doesn't want to. Sabi ko, boss, may budget. Kahit na. Iyak pa rin siya. So, when the movie was finished, I showed him. Sabi ko, dapat kasama kita dyan. Sabi ko, well, by the way, that was the only movie I made. No, because showbiz is really dirty. Anyway, so he was always there. The only thing na hindi na kami nagkaano when we migrated sa Houston, Texas, and I was there for a long time. And obviously, you can say I cannot skate anymore. So, but when I came back, nakita ulit kami, and I asked him if we could meet. You know, the only common thing about me and Kaloy is that we both serve the same God. He knows Christ personally the same way that I do. And when we were talking, talagang sabi ko, ayos. Nakalimutan namin skateboard. We were not talking about skateboard. Pero when I came back, meron siyang dalang album eh. Pinapakita niya pa rin yung mga album na naka-post sa niya. And he is really, he is one of a kind, Wala akong nakitang, sa kanya. Well, I'm not trying to build him up. Meron din siya mga setbacks, but he's so different. He's so, kaya ko nga dati gay. Pero, ang bayad sobra. Pero hindi naman siya mahawak sa akin. He's so nice. Ito. Parating nakahawak sa, sige na bro, kaya mo yan. Sabi nang hindi, sabi ko. So, as time goes by, ito, the saddest thing is that I texted him about 2 days ago, and I said, bro, just checking on you. If you're doing fine, hope everything is fine with you, praying for you. But he never responded. That was the day pala na. It's a sad thing, but it's also a celebration. Because he went home to be with his creator. And I praise God for it. And I hope that some of you here may also know Christ personally in your life. Thank you. Good evening.
Thank you so much, Dennis. From what I heard, one thing I learned about who Kaloy was he was an includer. He wanted to make sure people were not left out. Did any one of you experience that?